Hey, good morning friends, it's Phil from All Gardening, and today we're going to quickly run through how you assess a lawn. And actually that's actually how professionals like me assess a lawn. First thing is you take a view from a distance of the overall lawn, and the benefit of that is you can quite easily see the inconsistencies of the colour, and you can also, if you look closely, you can see the inconsistencies of the cut. That's the first thing you do. Now, as I walk across here, the other thing I do is I give a quick estimation of the size of lawn. And I know for a fact that this lawn, which is my next door neighbour's, is around about 80 square metres. Right, so you've got an idea of the condition of the lawn and you're looking for inconsistencies from a far distance, and then you know the size of it. Now, the next thing you do is you take 1 square metre of lawn. And if that slab down there is about 800 wide, so just a bit wider than that and a bit further out, you look at individual 1 square metre sections. So let's go and have a look at this bit over here. And then have a look at this bit over here. Right. So that's what you do. You look at square meterage independently. Now, the idea is that if you look at it from a distance, you get the overall kind of general vibe of the lawn. And then if you look at it as square meter sections, you can work out what problems you're working with. And by looking at several square meters of lawn, you kind of get an idea of where you're going with your problems. So that square meter has got some weeds in, a bit of dandelion that's blowing over from the other side, and then you've got quite a lot of inconsistency of the cut. So I'd say there's quite a lot of stressed grass here, and if you look at certain sections here, it's definitely stressed, and that is to do with really compacted, poor quality root zone, i.e. the soil underneath the ground where the roots grow. And that kind of gives you an idea of what you need to do and where you need to start with improving this little bad boy. Anyway, that's all for now. Ta-da.